problem 4. So on this one we get an acceleration versus time graph, and it's asking us to find the magnitude, which means don't worry if it's positive area or negative area. It wants just the magnitude of the change in velocity. And so since our units here are meters per second, and we multiply, if we want to use the area, multiply by seconds. One of those seconds is going to cancel, so we get meters per second, which are the units for change in velocity. So we want to find the area from 0 to 3 meters. 0 to 3 seconds. So here is 0, and here is 3. We want to find the area below that section of graph. And I'm going to actually break this up into 2 pieces. I'm going to look at this section here, because that looks like a rectangle, so that's going to be easy to do mathematically. And I'm going to break this one up here into a triangle. And so that should be really easy to do mathematically too. So we know that this rectangle, since it goes from 2 to 3, is 1 by, now a lot of people like to say it's 1 by 1, but if you look over here, it tells you that this value here is 10. So 1 by 10 tells me that if we multiply to get the area, that you have a value of 10 meters per second worth of change in velocity there. And then to find the area of your triangle, your base is 2 because it goes from 0 seconds to 2 seconds. And your height is the same height as it was over as this one was. So your height is 10. So 2 times 10 is 20. And since it's a triangle, we want to take half the base times the height. So our area for this should be 10 as well. So 10 plus from the green plus 10 from the blue gives us 20. And since it's asking for the change, we don't even need to know what the velocity was before. We just know that the change was 20 meters per second. So that should be C.